Office vibes with my boss Hanju.
Hi.
Look at this big man with his standing desk. Wow. Wait, oh my god, you're bonking everywhere. I got you. Ow! Ah! You're not gonna eat my pork. I saved you some pork. I might eat some. And I didn't eat the pork or else I will die. A painful death. Okay, so this is my dinner. I just made a simple salmon shallot. Normally I would add avocado in here, but they're not ripe yet. So I think I'm just Good morning, guys. I'm talking to you because I don't want to freak out. Yeah, basically I have an intro phone call to this company that I really want to work for. I feel like the role is just perfect for me, so I'm super stoked, but I'm just freaking out. I don't know, I have the intro phone call today. It shouldn't be too bad. I'm trying to focus and practice, and yeah, because last time I had an intro phone call, I kind of just freaked out. So I'm just basically prepping for my stuff right now. Oh my god. Going for the bread? Yeah. I wonder if he's fucked anyone. It's called Oyster Bar? Yeah, we can get oysters and then like a soupies. Dude, let's try to go like when they open so that we can sit down.
Your breath is hot.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go upstairs. Here, you tour guide us.
We got these big stairs, very aesthetic. You know, inside we have the modern architecture of the empty kitchen, really showing us how this whole system works.
Okay, cool. Watch your steps.
Oh.
Wow. So cute. Happy Saturday.
Saturday. I thought that was right.
Saturday.
Oh, I said bay. Saturday.
Oh. Yeah, well, I thought you were saying it like Saturday, not Saturday night.
Dude, Wednesday? Think of that word, right?
Wednesday.
Spell it. Like, that's crazy.
What other English word has D and N together? That sounds like that.
Gee, nice. You don't watch Key and Peele. You don't get this.
That's like the most beautiful bun I've ever seen.
Besides mine.
Should I insert picture now? Oh, mine's the same bun. Oops. I'm immature. Those are burgers. Did you even eat it? Oh, what? Who holds their burger like that?
It's straight. It's easier for it to go in my mouth. Ready? Eat your fry. He doesn't like French fries. Weirdo. Look, right here.
You're so weird.
What kind of dog goes on with French fries?
I don't know. My next goal is for both of them to come to me. Okay, you want to come too?
Come on, man.
Cheers.
to another dinner. 아 시원해. Oh my Okay, so you put this into here. Perfect bite. Yeah. People who don't know, they don't know. But if you know, you know. You mix rice into the pot like this. You mix it in, you get your chopsticks, and you like literally take all of these, what do you call these, guts? Poop?
Yeah.
Whatever. Then, if you want, you add like a dash more of the soy sauce. And you scoop it, and you...
The flavors are melting on my tongue. This is how you do it.
I absolutely killed that shit. We killed that. We killed that.
She ate like 70% of it.
What's up, guys? I look a little crazy right now, but I was literally outdoors like this, just getting some food, you know? So yeah, Alice's birthday is this Friday. I am going to vlog Alice's birthday special. I already have her gifts wrapped and everything, but I want to do something pretty special for her birthday. So I'm trying to plan what I can do. I reached out to a couple of her close friends. I asked them to send me a few favorite photos of the a few favorite photos that they have with Alice, any group photos, and I'm gonna order some twinkle lights. I'm gonna print the pictures and then hang them on the lights here. I'm gonna do this all on Thursday night when she's sleeping. She had a pretty shitty birthday last year. I want to replace those memories with good ones. Yeah, so that's the plan. It's gonna be a good birthday. Okay, I'm struggling here. It took me 2 hours to figure out how I'm gonna compile everything. I think I finally figured out a solution. So I formatted every photo to look like a Polaroid. I'm gonna print it on the photo paper and then cut it out. Alright, so I finished cutting everything. I think I'm going to try to figure out like a pattern. She hates like all the ugly ones, so I definitely have to like hide them on the bottom or something. I want to do it on the floor so I can visually see what I want to do.
Okay, some of them aren't bad. Ew, where did you get these old pictures? Wait, I'm confused. Wait, where did you get these old ones?
I hit up all your friends. I asked them to send me their favorite pictures.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yeah, dude.
Wait, this is so cute. Who the fuck took this? Is this June?
Yeah.
I hate him. Andrew!
They sent me some pretty bad ones. But I was like, I'll just not put the worst ones that you'll absolutely hate. These are manageable.
Wait, you hit up Matt and Andrew?
Yep.
This is so funny.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Yo, also, this is from your homies.
What homies?
That's from your homies.
Aww. Wait, what? Why?
It's a birthday gift.
Half of them are so broke. Is this a suitcase? Because it literally says OA on it. Oh my gosh, so sweet. Thank you, best friend.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! I love balloons!
She asked me, and I was like, iced latte with almond milk.
How did you know I love balloons?
Oh, balloons are a birthday thing, right?
I've always
Try to like.
wanted balloons! Kenya, my whole life, hold up, this needs to be acknowledged. My entire life, I wanted a balloon bouquet. I've told boyfriends, I've told friends, no one ever got me my balloon.
Balloons are the easiest fucking thing to
But
get.
this is all I ever wanted.
Here?
Oh my god, I love
birthday truffle linguine. What'd you say, Alice?
I'm having sex with my breakfast.
Birthday sex.
Birthday sex.
Yeah. Hey, happy motherfucking birthday to my best friend. What? Happy birthday. Woo! Show us the face. Shit. Oh! Not the white jacket on the ground. Do you remember what?
Do you remember this? Do you remember?
Oh yeah.